Hey man, it's here, man. The moment y'all have been asking for. I had so many people ask me to review this fragrance. So many people said, Mo, you gotta get this. You gotta go check this out. When are you gonna give us this review? It's finally here, fam. Let's talk about it. What up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey man, as you saw from the intro, I don't even want to take up too much of y'all time because y'all been telling me to get this fragrance for a while now, for a couple of months, man. I can't even just point out one particular person because it was a couple of my subscribers. Shout out to my subscribers, but y'all have been asking about this, so I'm excited to finally bring y'all the review that y'all have been waiting for, or should I say the unboxing that y'all have been waiting for. Let's talk about it, man. So before we get started, I gotta give a shout out to the new subscribers, man. Welcome. If you're new over here on this side of YouTube, man, we talk about FFL, football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, salute, fam. I hope y'all are doing good, man. I'm excited about this one, so excuse me if I'm coming off a little bit too much, man. But y'all have been wanting this, and I'm happy to finally be able to bring it to y'all. So as you see, man, we're talking about Asad Balatafa today. Now, before we even get started with this, a lot of people have been saying that it's a comparison of the big boy on the shelf, man. The big boy up there, man. Sauvage Elixir. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray Asad first, get a smell of that, and then I'm gonna spray Elixir, and we gonna compare the two with a first impression. That way y'all will know, hey, yeah, this is it. This might be inspired by, this might be a twist. This might damn near be a direct clone. Let's go. All right, fam, I got my 2 tester strips here. Put those to the side. Let's do this unboxing first over Asad Balatafa. Y'all know me, I throw away the boxes. This box really ain't too much to be. I'm eager to do this, but I was hoping that this box would have been a lot better than this. Like, I was hoping that this would be a box that I could keep on the cool, fam. But this bottle, fam, I think my shit might be twisted a little bit, man. But this bottle is dope, though. I love this bottle. Look at, oh my gosh, bro. Look at this, man. Do y'all see the stamp? I think I see a lion in there or something. I don't know. It could be a lion. But fam, just look at the, oh my God. Look at this bottle presentation. Balatafa stamp at the top. You got this thing at the bottom. We don't even care about that, but you gotta admire the presentation in Middle Eastern fragrances, man. That's one of the, outside of the juice itself, the presentation is literally the next best thing. But let's see, man. Let's see what this juice hitting on. So even though this is, hey, I'ma still give me a couple of sprays out just to get any alcohol that might be in there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and get that up out of there. I'm trying to get a smell early, but I'm gonna wait. Hold on. Yeah, I'm kind of glad that I did that first spray already, because we about to get into it. Because y'all might, I don't know, man. Let's see. First impression. Let's go. Let me see. All right, hold on. And y'all, okay, so before I say anything, y'all know me. I keep it a stack with y'all. I'm not as experienced with this as other people that do this. I'm a rookie. Y'all know I give y'all my rookie opinion. I'm still learning, but my nose ain't no bullshit. Now, hold on. Man, I do not want y'all to be upset. So before I even say anything, I'ma just spray Elixir on this one real quick. I only need one spray of this. I know what this be getting on. I only need one spray of this. Let me do one real quick. I might do one more. Because I love that pressurized atomized. So hold on now. Okay. Elixir. Asad. Okay. Alright. I think I'm ready, man. I would like to say that these 2 fragrances, Elixir, Asad, fam, to my nose in the initial opening. This might be the closest clone I have ever smelt, dog. Like, these two are damn near identical. Like, one of one. Like, it can't be that much of a 5% difference in the two. Elixir is giving me more depth. It is definitely giving me more depth. Now, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Elixir was $160. That bitch better give me more depth than Asad for $30. But Asad is so close in the opening. Jesus Christ, this shit is crazy. But I'm kind of mad I bought him. I'm mad as hell about Elixir first. Shit. Oh my God. I'm telling you right now, if I would have bought Asad first, I don't think I would have touched Elixir at all. Because I can tell you right now, the performance, Sillage, and Elixir is out of this world. Like, that bitch lasts damn near forever. Like, it's a beast mode fragrance. The performance, Sillage, all of that y'all like, compliment factor, all that is there. But when I say Asad, I'm smelling this, I'm thinking to myself, like, even if this is an 8-hour fragrance, even if this is just 8 hours and Elixir was about 12 hours, I would just go with Asad. Damn, this shit is so close in the opening. This shit is mind blowing. Now, it is one note, it's one particular note that I'm not getting in Asad that I am getting in Elixir. And I don't think it's just the depth, like how highly concentrated the fragrance is. I do think that it's just one particular note that Asad is missing that Elixir is giving me. Bam, this thing is warm, it's spicy. Oh man, this is a smooth ass fragrance, bro. This shit right here, I can't tell you exactly what's all in it. I just know that this is more of like an amber spicy fragrance. It has a lot of spices in it for sure. This is definitely, and I'm talking about super, like, this ain't even the regular Sauvage type spicy. Like, this is, if any of y'all have smelled Infinity Spice by Mercedes-Benz, the club VIP section, it's on that level of spice as far as how intense it is when it comes to those spicy notes. I'm not getting too much of a sweetness. Bruh, like, real talk, all I'm getting is just, I'm getting a lot of spice. Like, a lot of warm, spicy notes, man. I'm about to have to get the notes. I'm gonna have to get the notes, fam. I'm just gonna try to figure out which one of these, because it's definitely something that's like oh man, it's not sweet. Bro, I don't know what that is. Hold on, I gotta look this up. I gotta look this up real quick. Give me a second, because I'm about to figure this out. But first impressions, this Asad is a green bean. If you want a cheaper clone, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all now for the people that wanna know. If you wanna get a cheaper version of Elixir, go with Asad. Go with it off rip. Don't even have no questions. Buy the bottle next time it comes in stock, because you know this shit gonna be probably $50, $60 next time because of how much people are talking about it. So you definitely want to go ahead and get you a bottle. But we about to figure out what the two differences is in this. Because it's something in here. But they're so damn close, man. Maybe it's that licorice? Or is that licorice? I think that's licorice, man. My fault. Nah, that's a spice. Hold on, man. Damn, hold on. Hey, I'm going to tell you this right now. When you look up the note breakdown on both of these, Elixir is a lot more complex than what Asad is. But for them to be so close, like, Elixir has like 12, 13 notes in it from the breakdown. Asad got like 5 or 6 notes. I'm surprised it is this close to not have the same note breakdown. Asad is definitely going to be one that's going to be for the cold weather. I can't see this in the heat. Maybe even like transitional from winter to spring. But you want to wear this in cold heat, fam. I can see you choking somebody out with this. And even if you do wear it, bro, you might only wear this at nighttime, man, because this bitch nice. Like, this is nice, man. You might only wear this nighttime. I wouldn't even know if I wear this during the day, because I feel like I'd be wasting my juice, really, because I wanted to do, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I could wear this during the day, but damn, this is a nice one, man. Shout out to everybody who said to get Asad, because this bitch is beautiful, man. I'm rocking with this heavy. And again, I would like to say that it's about 90 to 95% similar to Elixir. It's not much that's giving a difference in it. There is one particular smell that I'm getting Sauvage Elixir that I'm not getting in Asad. Maybe it's the lavender, because I was thinking like it is giving me like some type of purple feeling. Like, I wasn't thinking plum, but lavender didn't come to my mind initially either, just because of how heavy and spicy it is. But the more I smell it, the more I can see the lavender being that one particular note that I was thinking. Hey man, bruh, Asad is a green bean, fam. I don't know, I could just keep talking, But I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all know Asad is a green bean, man. If y'all do not have this, and the next time they have it in stock, please set your notifications. Let them email you. That way you can just go ahead and get you a bottle before this get up. I might have to find room on the shelf for this one. This one, it's hard, man. It's hard because this bitch good, dog. This is a good one. This is a good one, fam. I'm rocking with this, man. Shout out to y'all again that told me to get it. This is a banger, man. Get it if you can, if it's available. Just know from Mo, it is a green bean. That's gonna be my first impression right there, because I don't wanna keep going on, because I swear the way this is coming off, I could rave about this fragrance. And this is just my first time smelling it. But it's gonna be cold this week. So you know your boy definitely gonna give it some wears and let y'all know what it's hitting on when you actually put it on. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's a go. That's all I'm gonna say, man. We about to get up out of here, man. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square, stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, man. D4G, truly blessed. That stands for greatness. Ha! We out. Boy, this shit is good, man. God damn.